So hello and welcome back, and yes, today I want to showcase how to remove the mirror on Ford Focus MK4, and this one was an ST line. So basically what you need to do is remove this plastic over here. So I might use some tools if you have any, maybe this plastic, or depends what you have on hand. So you clip it whatever you want. So as you can see over here, we have three clips that are holding it into the place, so nothing overly too special. After that, you have here one screw, two, and this one three. So three screws to take out, and electronics that just, so the wiring is here and easy to clip in and clip out, so like that. Unscrew these three. I believe it's Torx 20, something like that. You don't want to lose as I did right now, but you get the picture. So after that, gently unplug everything out, and you can see here what's holding. And this one has all the things, so like lights and stuff like that. So basically you have this foam, that's the protection. You don't want to put this without the foam. And to turn it back, you just, yeah, so like this. So, and you have another one that you have for all the need that you have while you was doing this. You just take the screws back and plug them in, and that's basically that. So like this. So you plug the screws back, click the electronics in, put the cover back on like this. It's just click inside, so nothing overly too special. So here, I hope this will help you. For any reason you have to do this, yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and follow, and see you next one. So till next one.